Hey guys, it's Connor, and in this video we have an unboxing from Amazon, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's see what we got in this package. So I got another package, so now we just gotta open it and check it out. Okay, wow. There's a messed up tile. So this is a very different smoothness. It kind of feels like tiles, but it looks like it's stickers. So it's like kind of a texture of tiles, but still stickers. So let's do our first turn and see how I like it. Oh wow, it's really smooth. Yeah, wow. This is a smooth turning 4x4 right here. I really got nothing bad to say about it. It turns amazingly and super smooth. All the layers are pretty smooth. Really smooth actually. So here's a checker pattern. So this was only 10 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can buy it. But for now, I'm gonna mix it up and do a solve. So there it is mixed up. So now I'm gonna solve it. So the reason I got another 4x4 is because I broke my other 4x4. It's in mini pieces. So I kind of needed another 4x4 for my collection. This one's way better than the other one. It's like I said before, I got nothing bad to say about it. It's so smooth and just amazing. So that was a solve. This is a phenomenal Rubik's Cube. I definitely recommend this. It feels nice, it turns nice, it just solves really nice, and it's just a nice texture. Like compared to this one, it's smooth, and this one is a little different texture, so it's kind of nice to switch things up. Okay guys, that's pretty much all I have for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.